Calisthenics tips. This is how to go from knee push-ups to full handstand push-ups. If you can do 8 knee push-ups, you can do 1 negative push-up. If you can do 6 negative push-ups, you can do 1 regular push-up. If you can do 10 regular push-ups, you can do 1 negative pike push-up. If you can do 8 negative pike push-ups, you can do 1 regular pike push-up. If you can do 10 regular pike push-ups, you can do 1 pike push-up lift-off. If you can do 6 lift-offs, you can hold a bent arm handstand for 6 seconds. If you can hold that, you can press into a pike push-up press. If you can do 8 press reps, you can control a negative handstand push-up. If you can do 8 negative handstand push-ups, you can do your first full handstand push-up. Follow to master calisthenics step by step.